In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap crypto on UniSwap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from the main app to a completed token swap with confidence. To follow along, make sure you have a compatible wallet and a little native gas token on the network you're using. Always double check that you're on the official UniSwap app before proceeding. Start by opening the UniSwap app in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the trade option in the navigation and select it to open the trading interface. From there, choose Swap to bring up the simple swap panel, which shows two boxes, one for what you're selling and one for what you're buying. In the sell section, open the token selector and pick the asset you want to swap from. If it's your first time using a token, Uniswap may show you a brief warning. Use trusted token lists or paste a verified contract address when in doubt. After selecting the token, enter the amount you want to sell. You'll see your balance and an estimated conversion appear. Keep an eye on the slippage and price impact indicators. High values can signal poor liquidity or volatility. Now move to the Buy section. Click the token selector and choose the token you want to receive. The estimated amount will update automatically based on current market conditions and available liquidity. You can tweak the sell amount if the output isn't what you expect. Check the quoted rate, fees, and the minimum received number, which protects you against excessive slippage during execution. When everything looks right, select Swap. A confirmation window will summarize key details, including the route, expected output, minimum received, slippage tolerance, and the network fee. Review these carefully. If prompted, your wallet will ask you to confirm the transaction. This is where the actual on-chain action happens. Approving the prompt submits your swap to the network. After you confirm, wait a moment while the transaction processes. You'll see a pending status and then a confirmation once it's finalized. At that point, your new tokens should appear in your wallet or within the Uniswap interface. If you don't see them right away, you may need to add the token to your wallet's visible list using its verified contract address. That's it. Going to Uniswap, choosing trade, selecting swap, setting your sell and buy tokens with amounts, and confirming the swap is all you need for a smooth, secure exchange.